Hey everybody, this is Mark Kelly. I own Inbound Revenue. I'm super excited that you're here. I just wanted to do a quick intro to the Inbound Revenue YouTube channel and Inbound Revenue itself. Won't take long at all. Hang with me. Inbound Revenue YouTube channel, I just love talking about marketing, how to help businesses grow their business, how agencies develop and grow, how agencies work behind the scenes, the best marketing for your home service business, whether it's SEO or PPC or email, all those things. So we talk about all that here at Inbound Revenue at this channel. Inboundrevenue.com is our website. And what we do is we're a Google Ads agency. We offer a super fast launch for a whole bunch of niches that we work in. Our top PPC niches are listed right here. You can jump on and see, and you'll see this is real time. As we add more, they'll be here. We give you an estimated budget, how many leads you could expect for that budget, what those costs will be. If that doesn't work for you, if you're an agency perhaps, and you have a lot of clients and you need support, we've got support buckets. You can purchase right online. We give you a good idea of how long it's going to take to do any of the services that we offer. So we offer those buckets. If you need your PPC, your Google Ads audited, we do that as well. We do landing page design. I think it's really good, high converting landing page design. Most of our clients convert somewhere between 10 and 35%. So pretty solid stuff. We can do custom builds. If it's not in one of our niches that we work in, there's about 80 of them, but if it's not in one of those, we'll be glad to come up with custom pricing or work on your niche, whatever that happens to be. And if you just need a one-time build, boom, we can hop in there. Just build out a campaign. We'll do the keyword research. We'll do everything for you. Okay, and we'll build it in your Google Ads account. So also, remember, you can place any order right on the website. You can just place an order right on the website, and our account management team will reach out to you. If you want to get a hold of us, talk to sales, you can hit the Contact Us button. See how friendly it is and bouncing. It's right there ready for you anytime you want it. If you need resources, if you want to wonder what type of, you have some questions about what we do. We've got extensive FAQs. We've got a gallery of our landing pages. Not all of them. We've got over 500 landing pages in our Unbounce account, so we've done a bunch of them. We've got case studies that you can read on the website. We've got testimonials. So just hop over to the Inbound Revenue website. Check it out. I'm super excited that you're here. I hope that you come back often as I lay out some of the best marketing information available on YouTube. And I'm not just going to talk about Google Ads. We're going to talk about everything that you need to run your business from start to finish or to grow your agency. Talk to y'all soon.